This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a capture card in OBS. First, connect your capture card to your computer, typically via a USB 3.0 port or a PCIe slot. Next, plug your gaming console or other video source into the capture card's input. Ensure you install any required drivers for your device. Finally, launch OBS Studio to start configuring your stream. Now, let's add your capture card as a source. In OBS, locate the source's dock and click the plus icon. From the menu, select Video Capture Device. A new window will appear where you can choose your specific capture card from the device dropdown. Remember to set your preferred resolution and frame rate, like 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second, for optimal quality. Proper audio setup is crucial for a great stream. Check that your capture card's audio output is enabled within its properties and routed to your desktop audio or a separate track. Keep an eye on the audio levels in the OBS audio mixer to prevent clipping. If your game audio is separate from your microphone, add an audio input capture source. You might need to adjust audio sync in advanced properties for perfect timing. If you encounter issues, start by checking all your cable connections. Loose cables are a common culprit. Always keep your capture card drivers and OBS Studio updated to the newest versions for stability and performance. Before every stream, perform a quick test recording to ensure everything is working as expected. Finally, optimize your OBS output settings, like bitrate and encoder, to match your internet speed and computer's processing power for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.